Hello, dear students. I am Zain Ali, the Assistant Professor of Physics. In this short video, I'm going to discuss the topic of refraction of light. So, what is meant by refraction? When light travels from one medium into another medium, then it bends. Then bending is observed whether it is towards the normal of the line or away from the normal of the line. Then this phenomenon is called refraction. We are going to explain its concept through a short experiment. So we go towards the experiment and explain its detailed concepts. So in this experiment, we are going to perform the phenomena of refraction of light. As we have discussed that refraction is the property of bending of light when light enters from one medium into another medium. So what we have observed that if light is falling perpendicularly from one medium to another medium, then no bending is observed, as you can see. But if I increase the angle of incidence, then you can see that the light is bending away from the normal. If we see this bending inside the glass slab, then it is bending towards the normal due to the reduction of speed. And if it is when it is moving away from the glass towards the air, then it is bending away from this normal line. So when we further increase the angle of incidence, then you can see that angle of refraction is further increasing. At a certain angle, if we further increase this angle, there is an angle for which the angle of refraction is 90 degree, as you can see. So if we further increase the angle from this angle, then instead of refraction, light is bending back inside the glass, that is reflection. So this angle is called the critical angle, and if we increase the angle of incidence from the critical angle, then we observe the phenomena that is called total internal reflection. So this is a short experiment that explains the phenomena of reflection of light. So now we are going to explain its further details in the next figure. So, as we have observed from this experiment that the phenomena of refraction of light, in this figure you can see that when light is entering from rare to denser medium, then it is bending towards the normal. Angle of incidence is larger and angle of refraction is smaller. But when it is moving from denser to rare medium, then incident angle is smaller than the angle of refraction. So this is what we observe, and by using this property we can also measure the refractive index of any medium by using this Snell's law, where n1 is the refractive index of this denser medium, theta 1 is the incident angle. This in this case light is moving from denser to rare medium. So I have just mentioned a question from the GCSE past paper where a ray of light strikes the surface of glass block at an angle of incidence of 45 degree. The refractive index of the glass is 1.5. So what is the angle of refraction inside the block? It was the question from November 2010 paper. So we use this Snell's law here, and n1 sine of incident angle, n2 sine of angle of refraction. So by solving this, we can get the answer, and its answer is 28 degree. So this is what we have observed. And further, through the experiment, we have also explained the phenomena of total internal reflection, which we will discuss in the future videos. So thank you. This is all about the refraction of light. If you have any question, then you can mention in the comment section. Thank you.